Many colonists held to a naive view that the Declaratory Act of 1766 had been a toothless, face-saving measure. But some who spoke up and warned, one in particular was George Mason of Virginia, who's going to play a very key role in some of the later Continental Congresses. And he basically had the following to say, so let's make sure we get that name down. We are going to refer to him again in some of our later presentations. Mason warned the colonists that the British attitude towards the colonists seemed to be that of treating the colonists like disobedient school children, too liable to get out of hand to be trusted. It was a very disrespectful attitude overall. And he further warned the colonists that had the repeal efforts failed, the British response likely would have been a military crackdown which would have led to war and great suffering. And he warned that the Declaratory Act still made this a possibility in the near future, especially considering that there were certain aspects of the act that were vague and could be interpreted in very tyrannical ways if certain people were to get into power. In addition to George Mason in Virginia, you had another prominent founding father, Christopher Gadsden in South Carolina. He basically proclaimed to South Carolina that they need to continue their vigilance going forward. In case any of you were wondering, yes, this is the man after whom the Gadsden flag is named. He actually designed that flag. But Gadsden and the South Carolina chapter of the Sons of Liberty swore to eternal defense against tyranny, that they were not going to become complacent. They were going to continue to watch for further British attempts to impose tyranny.